Good morning, students. In this section, we will discuss about the basic static characteristics of an instrument. What are the basic characteristics and what are the basic definitions we have? Those we will discuss initially. The first definition you have to learn is electronics. Simply, it is a branch of engineering which deals with motion of charged particle in electric or magnetic or gravitational fields. That means here we are discussing about the motion of the charged particle in different fields. That is how the particle will be changes its path by depending on the field. That we will discuss in basic electronics point of view. Next, the next definition is measurements. Measurement. Simply, it is the process of determination of unknown quantity by comparing with known and standard values. Measurement is nothing but just we have to identify some unknown quantity. That process is called as measurement. In definition point of view, it may be given as it is a process of determination of, that means finding of unknown quantity by comparing with known and standard values. Here we are comparing the known and unknown values. Both the values are compared. By comparing known and unknown values, we are determining the value. So that process is called as a measurement. Next one is instrument. The definition for the instrument is it is a device or mechanism used to determine unknown value. That means with which the help of we're doing a measurement. We're doing a measurement that is called as a instrument. అంటే మనం ఏ డివైస్తో అయితే మెజర్మెంట్ చేస్తున్నామో దాన్నే మనం ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ అంటారండి. దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ ఏ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్. The next definition is accuracy. Accuracy, it is defined as the closeness or exactness of true value to the measured value. Here we have to discuss two values. One is measured value, another one is true value. Here true value is nothing but the designed value. The designed value. That means while fabricating any instrument, we are giving some fixed values. That value is called as a true value or designed value. And measured value is nothing but that is when we performed an experiment, we got some value. We'll get some value. That value is called as a measured value. The closeness between these two values is called as accuracy. It is defined as the closeness or exactness of true value to the measured value. That is called as accuracy. Next definition is resolution. That is the smallest change in the measured variable with which an instrument will respond. That means here for the values, for the small values we are giving, the instrument should be respond. That is called as a resolution. Next one is precision. Precision is nothing but the repeatability of measured value. The repeatability of measured value. That means during the experiment we are getting same values. That means in attempt 1 we have some value, in attempt 2 we have some value, in attempt 3 some value. For all the attempts we have to obtain same value. That is called as a precision. Next definition is expected value. Expected value is nothing but the designed value. Designed value. What the value is the design, that is called as the expected value. Next definition is error. Error is defined as the difference or the deviation between true value to the measured value. In our previous manner, we have already discussed two values. That is, one is the designed value, another one is measured value. The difference between those two is called as error. The closeness between those two is called as accuracy. Those are the two definitions. And finally, sensitivity, the ratio of output to the input, that is called as a sensitivity.